Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to another remote job for you. Today we have this incredible temporary assistant brand manager position that's fully remote, and he pays $25 an hour. It starts in June and it ends in December. You'll be classified as a contract 1099 independent contractor. You'll work 40 hours a week. And here is some of the job details. So this is a leading manufacturer of certified natural and organic personal care products and anthroposophical pharmaceuticals. Its personal care portfolio consists of 100 products across categories such as skincare, baby, and oral care. The company was founded in 1921, and it is headquartered in Arsheim near Basel, Switzerland. Their products are sold in over 50 countries and employs a workforce of approximately 2,300 people worldwide. Their company places great importance on social and environmental and economic responsibility and has been recognized annually with dozens of awards globally for its commitment. It has any of the 50 plus fair trade partners around the world. Over 80% of natural ingredients used in the products are organic, biodynamic, or wild harvested. They craft its products to fully realize nature's restorative effects that work in harmony with and stimulate your body's own healing abilities. They are B Corp certified and certified natural by Natru, the leading European certifier of natural/organic products. So they're looking to hire a temporary assistant brand manager who has a direct reporting relationship to the director of marketing and is a temporary assignment of approximately 6 months. The assistant brand manager role is a critical member of the brand marketing team, supporting their high growth business goals and helping to build their equity in North America. The ABM will wear many hats and require mental agility, attention to detail, and a passion for their movement. The assistant brand manager will be the business lead on the following categories: baby, body cleansing, deo, men's care, plus specific projects on body and facial care. This role is for 40 hours weekly, paying $25 hourly. This role qualifies for a flexible work schedule. The North America headquarters offices are in Inverton, New York, 20 miles north of New York City. This company prides itself as an equal employment opportunity employer and has a lot of success by channeling diversity on their work teams. So the specific responsibilities that you will have will be business analytics, analyze and share with the broader team insights on the business on a quarter basis, identify challenges and opportunities, work with the cross-functional teams, sales and customer marketing to address. Then subcategory will be ownership. You will serve as the business lead, expert, and driver of baby, body cleansing, deo, men's care, plus specific projects on body and facial care. You work closely with global marketing on innovation related to above categories: new product launches in baby, updated DEO formulas, relaunches of facial cleansers. You'll manage all go-to-market activities for innovation, forecasting for the categories, managing any in-market/sales need for these categories, marketing forecast lead for own categories, manager of budget for marketing function. Then packaging and special packs. You lead all packaging initiatives across specific categories, updated to INCIs, artwork changes, artwork for new products. You lead special pack creation for specific categories, public relations, strategic partnerships, and special events. You will serve as PR contact for all ad hoc requests, so product requests. Lead key execution details, including creative, to ensure successful events and partnerships across the business events. Example, press events. Brand planning. You will serve as a key member of marketing team during yearly brand planning process, which will be in July. Responsible for developing and presenting plans and sales projections for subcategories to the NOUT and global marketing. Sales liaison. Prepare to deliver the necessary assets to successfully launch new items, including procuring and or developing launch kits / broader kits, pack shots, sales, spec sheets. Assists in managing the development and timely delivery of collateral for strategic drive periods. Necessary leadership skills. You have to take responsibility, take ownership and accountability for both success and failure, always looking for the learning to improve and practice humility, skilled in driving decisions and conclusions without having all the answers. Leads by example, hands-on, inclusive yet decisive leader, customer and consumer-centric, purpose-driven, clear, well-developed communication skills. Collaborate up, down, and sideways. Partners with colleagues up, down, and across the organization toward the achievement of personal and organization objectives both within North America and internationally and with our external partners. Lead with a mindset that success will be achieved when collaboration is the norm. Proactive problem solving. Identify opportunities amidst challenges, presents those opportunities proactively without necessarily being asked. Thinks analytically to understand complex and ambiguous issues and opportunities and clearly articulates insights, conclusions, and solutions. Forward thinker that plans for future success. Persevering and resilient. Unfeathered by setbacks, finds the learning amidst disappointments and continue to find ways to achieve personal and organization objectives, has the ability to find ways to learn in all types of situations. Cognitive flexibility. Able to adapt and thrive in a quickly engaging organization and marketplace to implement best practices. Flexes easily from high-level strategic thinking to roll-up-your-sleeves project management. Excels in and can lead within a small company environment. Open-minded and empathetic. Is aware of conscious and unconscious bias. Shows empathy to all regardless of race, color, national origin, religion, sex, age, or disability, and is open-minded to all viewpoints. So necessary technical skills and prior experience. A bachelor's degree in business or marketing, ability to assist with marketing strategy and planning, proven analytical skills and ability to translate consumption, forecast, shipment data into actionable insights, proficient in Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, excellent collaboration and communication skills, previous CPG, consumer packaged goods experience is highly preferred and it is from beauty industry. All applicants applying for U.S. job openings must be legally authorized to work in the United States, so candidates applying for this role are required to have a U.S. residency at the time of the application. Remember, this job is fully remote. It's only for a 6-month period. You'll be an independent contractor and it pays $25 an hour. If this sounds like you, I'll put the link right below so you can apply right away. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because here at the best remote work from home job just for you, we're going to have the perfect opportunity for you. So don't miss out. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.